Today I will be showing you how to simplify radicals using your calculator. I will be doing 3 examples with you. So the first example we want to start off with is the square root of 100. So in order to type in the square root, the square root, notice it's right here. It's in blue. Anytime you want something in blue, you're going to go to second, square root, and let's say you want 100. Square root of 100, go ahead and push enter, and 100 is a perfect square, so it gives you 10. Okay, now we know that when you get the square root, it's understood that the root is a 2. But let's say you want to simplify radicals where your root is not a 2. Let's say it's a 3 or a 4. So that leads me to my next example. Let's say we want to get the cube root of 8. So in order to type in the cubic root, you're going to go to math. And you can either use number 4. Notice how it has a root of a 3 there already. Or you can also select number 5. Number 5 has an x for the root, and it lets you select what number you want as your root. So in this example, since it is the cube root, I'm going to go ahead and just use number 4. So number 4. Notice how it automatically types in the root of 3 right there. So if I want the cubic root or the third root of 8, go ahead and put your 8. Enter. And my answer is 2. Okay, and the last example I'm going to do is, let's say you want to find the fourth root of 16. Okay, so again, the square root, you can only use this button whenever your root is a 2. Okay, right now the second example we did, our root was a 3. So on this last example we have a root of 4. So in order to type in the root of 4, you're going to have to go to math. I can't use number 4 anymore because that has a root of 3. So anything with another root that is not a 3, you would have to use number 5. So in this example, I must use number 5. Okay, notice how the box is there and it lets you type in what root you want to use here. So it's going to be the fourth root of, so I'm going to put the fourth root of 16. Enter, and that gives me a 2 as well. Okay, so again, to simplify radicals, okay, really quick, if your root is a 2, if you just want to get the square root of any number, you will go to second, square root, and then type in the number that you want. If your root is anything else other than a 2, you can go to math, and you can use number 4 if your root is a 3, or if it's anything else, you can select number 5.